My name is Justin and I'm with ExcelGainz. Today I'm going to go through find and replace tricks that may surprise you. So I have a spreadsheet here and I'm going to look for ExcelGainz. And if you hit options, it opens this up and you can look within the entire workbook or the worksheet. So for within the workbook, I'm going to hit find all, and this will show every time ExcelGainz is in this workbook, which I put it in here several times, and since you expanded your search to workbook, it'll actually list out each sheet that it's shown in, and it'll hyperlink to that location. You can also search by format. So if I wanted to find the green ExcelGainz cell, it shows up one time in the bottom right hand corner of the spreadsheet. Next are the wildcards. So what's a find and replace wildcard? Well, just say you wanted to find Gain G-A-I-N ? And that's telling Excel any character that comes after N to find that. So this will find ExcelGainz because Z is after ExcelGainz. Next is the wildcard asterisk. I'm going to remove the format, which I've showed you done before, and you'll see if I put E asterisk Z, this will find ExcelGainz because it's any number of characters that come between E and Z. It doesn't matter how many are between it, it's just the first and the last character. And the third wildcard is to find a question mark or asterisk, because those are the wildcards in the event you actually want to find a question mark or asterisk. This is the trick. You put a tilde at the end. So you'll see here this found ExcelGainz with the extra Z's and a question mark. Next trick I want to show you is replace all with nothing. So I'm going to highlight these cells, hit Ctrl F shortcut for the control find. I'm going to click on replace. I'm going to find this spelling variation of ExcelGainz, and I'm going to replace it with what? I'm going to replace it with nothing. There's nothing in replace with. And hit replace all, and now these cells are blank. It's a quick way to get rid of some data or clean up your data. This trick I want to show you. Now, if you select one cell, it's going to look within the entire workbook when you control find, replace. But if I just highlighted a specific number of cells, just say, and I replace B's with C's, it's only going to replace the cells I've highlighted. So that comes into play if you're working with a giant workbook and you don't want to try to calculate everything in the entire data set. This is the way to highlight the specific cells you may want to work with. And the last example, this is a Vlookup formula. And what it's doing is it's looking at this table array and it's retrieving column 2, referring to the letter A, B, and C, apple, banana, carrot. So just say you wanted to change the references within that formula. You can look in the formulas within this sheet. I'm going to change 2 to 3. Replace all done. We made 3 replacements. So what did this do exactly? You see within the formula, I wanted to retrieve column 2 earlier for apple, banana, carrot, but since I changed the cell references, or excuse me, the column number from 2 to 3, it is now retrieving apricot, Brussels sprout, cabbage. So those are some find and replace tricks you may have not known. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.